pattern is going down into the surface of Earth.
And then?
Ask me more so I'll
No, I mean where they go.
If you want to go to Google or Skyview, if you want to see, if you don't see it there, look around.
No, I mean where is the station up? Where is it?
Earth low orbit.
Where's that?
It's there. It's up.
Outside of the Earth or here?
It's still in the gravity of Earth, but it's still in the orbit. It's near to the atmosphere where the heat shield protect it, but they have to make it a little high, so when it's falling, it will go back up of the small boosters.
Oh, what they're doing there?
Every 6 months they're returning, going back home, and every 6 months again they will come back.
How they will come back?
The rockets.
How they will come back? They will go down?
The rockets will bring them there, so because the Falcon 9, also the Falcon Heavy of the SpaceX, shocked NASA's scientists because how all 3 boosters land by themselves.
How they come back? They were where they will come back? Where?
They will land back in the Earth, but their fuel tanks is too much strong, so it will not burn in the atmosphere, but it will just.
Where they will land at the same where they
release? The side boosters will land near in the pads near to them, but the first stage is burning all its fuel while the boosters is land. So that's why they're putting too much boats in the ocean, so they will. But when they see it in the sky, but they're in the wrong way, the boat will start the engine until they will change the direction. Or the boat will not move, and the booster will turn until it's like that.
So what will happen? What they're doing there up? How many rockets are there right
Maybe all of that satellites is just in the internet. Google Maps, the internet. That one is so our internet is from satellite, not the router. The router is powered by the satellite. So that's why before there's a dish.
Dish?
Like the dish.
Dishwashing? What?
Not dishwashing, the satellite dish.
Satellite dish.
Because the satellites also have a dish. And on the houses on Earth have a dish also. But on something wrong on the moon will just be in real time. Will be in just 1 second. But on Mars it'll take 11 minutes. So when the rocket explode now and the message arrive, the rocket is already gone. But the other message will take another 11 minutes, but the rocket is already doomed. The Mars atmosphere is sometimes named the 7 minutes of terror. Because if anything goes wrong, it will take 11 minutes for them, because when it reached the Earth, the message is already gone, dead.
Oh my gosh,
but
I'm
when the parts all break, the heat shield is still working. There's also there in the Perseverance rovers. In the Mars, when they use parachute, it's not working too much strong. They will just use it to slow a little, and they will remove the cover. Looks like one on top of the rover who's with engine until when it's like that, the spring it'll remove but it's still connected by the spring until when the rover's wheels touch. They will boost the one for connecting, the one who's making it land. They will make it full and then they will remove it until it crash somewhere far. But they don't need that anymore because the rover is more important.
Okay, and then how many years they're building the one before they launch it?
A couple years, 1 year.
1 year only? They're building that one? Is it not?
Also the sat too much the Falcon 9, Falcon Heavy, Apollo 11, they're all doing it without the human first to check if it's allowed for the human.
Why are they making that one? What is the reason?
The Saturn V is the one who needs want to beat the space race.
Why?
So when it land on the moon, they already beat the Soviet Union, the Russia. So when when the Russia go on the moon, they will see the flag. They will know they're not the first, but the rockets on Russia is keep failing because
Why?
because the N1 rocket is launched, and then all the time when all the 18 boosters, only engine 1, all the boosters except engine 1 will turn, like until
didn't reach there
until it's the boosters turn it until it explode.
So it didn't reach there.
So the Starship also, when they're falling back to Earth, they have no parachute. They're just using the engine. So when it's like they're flipping it like this when it's going, but it's like this when it's falling, and then they will use the booster to turn it like this until it's land. But they're not allowed to do it too much near to the ground or when it's like this, because they have to do it 800 feet from the ground. Also, the pads needs to be in flat surface.
In the flat surface, okay.
Or if they don't have flat surface and the pad is there, they will put too much pad.
Okay.
They will put too much dirt. They will get dirt from different different places. They will put it under the cover.
Why? What is the reason why they're building the one? Why they're launching it?
Checking Mars if it's habitable. Means if life is really there. Because before, when Earth is just lava and rocks, that Mars is water before.
So now Mars is what?
Just the red planet. So because one too much big crater is filled with water. But
is Mars is the same as Earth?
Yes, but a little smaller. It has 2 moons, Phobos, Deimos. But Deimos is a little small, but Phobos is small, Deimos is big.
They have two moons there.
But that moon is not the moon yet. Before the Mars is just with water. It's near to the asteroid belt. Their gravity is strong before, and it captured one asteroid, next asteroid. That's why their moon's shape looks like asteroids, because they are asteroids before. But Mars' gravity become weaker,
so
and
then means we're going to the Mars.
No, Mars cannot contain life because the Earth is in the Goldilocks zone, because that's the one where the water will not boil, the water will not evaporate. That's the only place there. That's why Neptune, Pluto, Uranus is all Pluto is just ice under. We are too much big circle of ice there, because before that one is liquid.
Where are they now?
The ice is still frozen. But Mars also has water, only in the top and bottom. They have to shoot too much lasers to boil, so the ice will melt until it become water. And then they will add water, and they will crush too much asteroids there until the ground heat. But I don't know most of that one.
The Mars.
Yes, I only know a little of for the one. But there's for the life. But there's like I think 5 rovers on Mars.
What do you mean by that? What rovers? A food?
So Rover is the first Rover, I forgot his name, is just a box with just too much strong, like looks like with the wheels and antenna. That one is died now because how old is it now?
How old is that?
Opportunity and Perseverance was launched in the same year but a month before each other. Perseverance is launched 2021.
Okay.
It's still working. Opportunity is dying now because the last message it sent, my battery is getting low and it's getting dark.
Hello.
The sunset on Mars is blue.
The sunset is there? Blue?
Yes. Because of the atmosphere and the dust in the sky. Also, Mars have air, but it's poisoned. That's why the parachute is working a little. Not strong wind like the Earth.
Okay.
So they don't need boosters to land. But Soyuz, when it's returning, the parachute is only one parachute is there on the side. So 3 small boosters, and then 2 feet from it, they will cut the parachute, turn the boosters on until it lands. Okay, can we watch more?
Okay.